this happened, this happened, this happened, this happened, this happened, this happened. Don't mind the mess. 2025 has been fun. I met lots of new people and had a great time. In this video, we are going to talk about my 2025 and what I thought it's going to look like. This is my vision board. This was the first thing that I achieved. I wanted to talk in front of a huge crowd, pitch something, either be a speaker at one of the events, workshop, or something like that. And I got the opportunity to represent my mom's small business. She bakes brownies and cakes and cookies in front of a crowd full of students and MBA professors, Vinita Singh included. Had lots of fun. I wanted to go to a beach location. What I had in mind, and this picture is from Pondicherry. I didn't get a chance to go to Pondicherry, but I had my first ever solo trip to Alibag. So we got solo trip also done, something which I had not planned, and I went to a beach location. Alibag for me was fun. It was amazing. I had the best time there because I got the best weather there. So yes, that is that. This is a sari. I think this is a Sabyasachi sari. I had this randomly because the blouse was beautiful. I wanted this beaded blouse or beaded anything. I do not have beaded anything. So yeah. Okay, got a few blouse stitched, something similar to this one. This is a design that I wanted to make on my own. I wanted to stitch. I have a blouse similar to this stitched as well, so this is ticked off. Let's move on to the murti here. So for the past 2-3 years, following what my sister has started, I made a Ganesh murti with 4 arms. Not something that I was planning. जब भी मैं ये मूर्ति बना रही थी, at that time I didn't even remember that there's something like this in my vision board. So yeah, that's a beautiful coincidence, and it was not this huge, but it was taller than what I had ever made. So yeah, that is one thing. Stitching I've been doing very well. I wanted to go to Pune. Quite a shocker that I've not been there yet, but Pune तो नहीं जा पाई, अलीबाग गई थी मैं. I love makeup, okay? Love makeup, okay? Love. I love makeup. I love dancing. I wanted to do something relating to makeup, getting other people dressed up, and I did start with my sister. So for my sister's baby shower, the initial Gujarati rituals is where I dressed her up. Everyone loved it. My sister loved it, and I had an amazing time. Let's come down. This was studying this and this. I did get into studying. I did get into coding. I have a SQL course running on my channel currently. So yes, this is being achieved. Let me look. This looks like, oh yeah, this looks like a React code. So that's amazing because I am making my portfolio in React. What a coincidence. I have this also. I saw a div tag here. And for studying, I have started studying again. Book pen paper लेके नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, but मैं बाकी digital medium के through I started studying. I did lead a small group of people at my work. So I was instructing, I was teaching them, I was training them. So even this I got. Even I wanted to buy a camera because I wanted to achieve certain goals for YouTube and Instagram. But भाई तुम लोग करते ही नहीं हो सब्सक्राइब, भाई तुम पूरे पूरे वीडियोस नहीं देखते हो. मैं शॉर्ट्स कैसे बनाऊं? पढ़ाई शॉर्ट्स में नहीं हो पाएगी यार. वो पढ़ना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. I didn't get a new camera, but what I got, the old Digicam, the one from Sony, and I used it for my first trip to Alibag. I got back to workout. I was not that consistent. I was briefly consistent. मैं 1 महीना continuously जा रही थी, but then work came up, things happened, and I was not able to be that consistent with working out. 2026 definitely going to see me working out a little more. I need to. I have no other option. We are now, all of us, this is just family goals and wanting to become closer and stuff, and that has definitely happened. Conveniently going to skip this because I'm on the verge of making a small crochet cow. You must have seen that. It was so popular. I remember I have the crochet cow wala thing in my 2024 vision board. I had started, but मैंने उसको complete ही नहीं किया, और मैंने अभी तक उसको complete नहीं किया हुआ है. But I have the yarn outside, so I am going to complete it tonight because I do not want to carry this with me for 2026 also, because ये वाला carry forward ही हुआ है. This is a bunny. What I had in the previous vision board was a cow, so she's this one is going to be a colorful cow. All right, let's move forward. This is actually a cafe somewhere. I didn't really go to a cafe like this, but I did visit lots of beautiful cafes. Okay, let's come here. This is what I wanted my birthday cake to look like. Unfortunately, this didn't happen. That's okay. 50K subscribers, तुम लोग करो भाई. Next year हम कर सकते हैं ये. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. These two were relating to my mom's business. We did have a stall like this. Okay, minus all of these decorations, we did have a couple of stalls. I remember हम नवरात्रि के लिए बाहर गए थे and Christmas के लिए भी हम बाहर गए थे. So yes, and of course this also, and she got her biggest order yet. It was a corporate order. It's like a beautiful brownie tower. I'll insert images here. Stunning, stunning. I wanted this to be the vibe of 2025, and bhai मैं जब भी बाहर गई हूँ, I have had something similar to this only. I would either have a red lipstick or the matte twig, but it was a very neutral, as I'll have either a brown kajal or a black kajal, smoke it up. And this was the count that I was hoping for. नहीं हो पाया ये. Also, it was because midway through I was not able to pay attention because job got too hectic. There were other responsibilities that I had to take care of. Let's come down to these. All of these are travel related, and this is your marathon. So I did run a 10K. I wanted to run a 21K as well, but that just didn't happen because 10K ही मेरा बहुत खराब हो रहा था. As I mentioned, right, that I left working out in the middle only, and that is why stamina drops and was not fun. I could not qualify for the 21K, but 2026 we are going to start again. Running. We're going to start again. I'm going to run our first 21K and be good at it. Be consistent with workouts and be consistent with running. Let's come to this. So this I didn't know why I chose this. I do not remember my intention behind having this here, but this I achieved. I went on a trip with my friend and her friend. So I went out with complete strangers to Varkala, Alleppey, Trivandrum, and we had a fun time. Returned home with a lot of memories. As we went to Varkala, of course, it's a beach location, so I got something like this. And let's talk about the things that I did which are not here. So 2025 was full of surprises for me. I got to attend the Lollapalooza 2025, and I got to see my favorite artist, Louis Tomlinson. Had lots of fun there. I got my first ever diamond ring, and I got to do lots of things which I would have not been able. 2025, I went in with this mentality that I'll ask and देखते हैं क्या होता है. And this year taught me that if you ask, you shall receive. I am choreographing a dance performance, a 5-minute dance performance for my complex celebration happening on the 31st. I am working as an editor for an independent makeup artist. I am getting different opportunities at work. I had briefly mentioned this on my Instagram as well, that my name is being called out in board meetings in a good way. I am blessed to be working where I am working, the team that I'm working in, and to have people who want to see you succeed. 2025 has taught me a lot as well. I have learned to put myself first, learned to say no, and finally learned to let people go. Um, very recently is when I learned how to let people go, and it feels light, it feels good. I remember in the beginning of 2025, I had this video.
If you start reconsidering if this person is your friend, they are not. They are not your friends anymore. Your friends are not supposed to make you feel insecure about your bond. If someone needs validation about a relationship with someone else, then maybe you need to think if there is a relationship to start with.
And उसमें मैंने mention किया था that if you just strangely, there's, you'll always feel when there's a slight change in the relationship, right? And something as intimate as a friendship, the switch there, it is very visible, and I could feel it for the past 2 years. I was holding on to, yeah, that's that. Good learning 2025, 2026. There are a lot of things that I expect. That's it. That's it. That is my 2025 for you guys. I never wanted to do look at my vision board because I feel like this is something so special that you would not want other people to look at it. But ये तो अभी हो गया है भाई. Uh, there was one more thing that I achieved that I completely forgot. So I remember 2024, 2023, I had seen this one bag which I had loved, which I had fallen in love with. It was from Coach and I wanted to buy it. मुझे वो खरीदना था. I didn't have any source of making that come true क्योंकि ना ही तभी I had a job and there was no one जो बाहर रह रहा है who would get it for me because this is a old piece. I'm trying to find my 2023 2024 diary but I'm not able to find her. ये मिलेगा ना जब भी मैं रिकॉर्ड करना बंद कर दूंगी तब भी मिलेगा भाई मेरे को. I am so sure. But that was in my vision board. It is called the Pillow Tabby. The one in my vision board was this color, and I have it now. I have it in maroon, and I absolutely love it. So जब भी ये वाला I was just looking at this figure, realized कि इतना नहीं है मेरे पास. ठीक है, I do not have. This is 10 lakhs or something. I don't have 10 lakhs in my account, but I whatever I had dreamt of, जो मुझे पता था कि मैं 1-2 साल में कर पाऊँगी, वो सारी चीज़ें मैंने यही साल में कर ली एंड नथिंग लाइक इट. नज़र मत लगाओ भाई प्लीज़, रो दूँगी मैं. एंड आई होप 2026 इज़ just as beautiful, if not more, than this year. It has been amazing. I never expected कि मुझे कभी इतना fulfilled feel होगा. But oh, 2025, you're going to be missed.